Hi there. Welcome to this tutorial to log in to the bhapd.com training portal for the very first time. My name is Eric Klein. I'm one of the regional training managers with Berkshire Hathaway Automotive Professional Development. I also happen to be the lead administrator. I run this website, so I'll be walking you through how to do all the things on your learner checklist to be able to log in and access all of the great information on the bhapd.com training portal. We're going to be starting off with what your username is, because in the top right-hand corner of that checklist, it's got a blank right there. What is your username? Your username is unique to you. When you get hired at a Berkshire Hathaway Automotive affiliated dealership, you automatically have what's called an EMPL ID, EMPL ID, created for you automatically when you get hired. So basically what you're going to need to do right now is either log into your ADP paycheck stub HR web portal, or get that information from a manager or a training champion at your store. And the second blank there is your password. There is a default password, which I'm not going to include in this video. What you're going to need to do is get that information from your training champion or the regional training manager who's having you log in for the very first time. Now that you have your username and password, that'll allow you to log in for the very first time. I'm going to go ahead and log in using a Chrome browser on an iPhone. This system will allow you to log in on a desktop, on a tablet, or mobile phone with most major browsers as well. One browser that you cannot use is Internet Explorer no longer, but you can use the brand new Microsoft Edge. So whatever device you want to use, go ahead and open that browser right now and go to http://bhapd.com right now. All right, I'm going to log into my browser and go to bhapd.com right there. All right, it's going to bring you to the screen. So you're going to use your 7-digit username right there in the top. Then you're going to be using that password that you need to use right there. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and use my demo account, but you would go ahead and naturally log in right there. Put in that default password. And then hit login. It's then going to bring us to the update password. We do everything as secure as possible here at Berkshire Hathaway Automotive. So go ahead and re-enter that default password. Then update to a new password. You can see there that view password requirements. Basically, you can't use your name. There's some other requirements in there. It has to be at least 8 characters. But for those of you out there who have multiple Gmail and YouTube and all sorts of different accounts out there, I'm sure this is going to be old hat for you guys. It's got to be at least 8 characters. I would highly recommend that you use capitals and numbers and symbols as well. And then hit go or save. And that brings you right to your home page. I would recommend, however, writing down your new password so you don't forget it, and then not leaving your checklist around for anybody to see it. All right. Normally, what I'd have you do is go into that sales learning path immediately. But what this system does not have is your email address. So what I want you to do, like that announcement says right there, I want you to go down to the My Settings widget and go into email address. Go ahead and update your email address. First, put in your password, the new one that you just made, and then enter your email address and hit save. One of the reasons why we do this is because if you don't enter your email address in there, you're gonna be locked out. So now that you put your email address in there, when you hit forgot password link on the login screen, if you don't have your password, it can then send you a reset password email. All right, so now that we've done that, you can easily go into the sales learning path. Here we go. We got the sales learning path all set up, ready for you to go. Or what I'd actually highly recommend that you guys do is download the app. One of the reasons why we're logging into Chrome in the first place is because you can't update your password or email in the app. So we logged into Chrome. Now let's go ahead and download the BHAPD.com training portal app. So go into your app store, either iPhone or Android. Go ahead and search Brightspace. And it's going to be Brightspace Pulse. See that third one right in there? And I've already downloaded it, of course, but go ahead and download it. All right, so I downloaded the Brightspace Pulse app. You can see it right there. I'm going to click into it, hit next a bunch of times, and we're going to go ahead and get started. Who provides your learning? Berkshire Hathaway Automotive provides your learning. So go to Berkshire Hathaway Automotive right there, click it, and now you can log in just like normal. So again, use your login, your updated password, now you have this Brightspace Pulse mobile app locked and ready to go. So you want to make sure that you turn on the Brightspace Pulse app. That's basically where you're going to go into your settings, into notifications, and then into the Pulse, allow notifications. Make sure that that is turned on. All right, now you have access to all of your courses right there on the Brightspace Pulse app or on your browser of choice. That should do it. You now have access to the BHAPD.com training portal. If you need any help in the future, just email us at info@BHAPD.com. Thanks very much.